Yes, hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Morris, the Crochet Master. Welcome once again to those ones who are still new on this channel. I would like you to click on the red button, ring the bell so that you always be the first person to watch our videos, because I always make sure that I upload videos every week. And this channel is where you're going to find different types of hairstyle. That will be crochet, dreadlocks, weavings, and cornrows. So you always find it here, and even braiding. So this time around I have some hairstyle that I'm going to show you, but it's very simple, just for the natural hair. I thought of it, just doing something that is curly looking natural. So I found out that her hair was already weak, and I'm trying to see what is something that I can do that is curly and big. So first and foremost, we're going to be doing the inward cornrows, and this is what I always want you guys to learn. You need to learn how to do this cornrow, because it is very nice when it comes to crochet. And I have some other things that I always want to explain to you guys. We have been getting like more clients who come when they have this thing in mind, and I would want to clear it today. Yes, there's some clients who feels like when you do small cornrows, it is going to last more longer. But guys, you always don't have to accept that if you're a hairstylist and you know what a crochet can do to the client's hair. So the only thing you should note in your head is that the cornrows that we always do are always supposed to be equivalent to the crochet that we're going to add on. Okay, so it means if the cornrows are very small, that means the crochet that is going to be added is also supposed to be very small. And if the cornrows are very big, that means even the crochet are supposed to be very big. So a client might come to you with these big, the Senegalese twist, those big crochet, and she wants to crochet high extension. Then she tells you to do small cornrows. Please, what you're going to do is a mess. If you try to do that, it is going to come out soon, and even it might cause blockage to her hairline. So to those ones who have been doing that, I know plaiting a crochet, it is very simple. Everyone can do a crochet, but all in all, we always have to first understand the extension size. Yes, after understanding the extension size is the one that gives you the type of a cornrow that you're supposed to do. So this time around, for me, I know what I'm supposed to do, and that's why you have seen my cornrows are really big. And now being big, I feel like without gelling, I should put something here to look like a gel, like the way we always sleek those natural hair, because I want to get something that looks natural but very fancy, like in curly. If she had long hair, maybe thick, would have just palm rodded her hair, and we get this style that I'm going to do right here. And of course, those ones who would want the hair extension, I'm going to be using the jumpy curls. Of course, you all know, if you don't have the jumpy curl, you can use the Havana curl. It is also very perfect for this hairstyle. And now let's see what is going to come out. But all in all, what I want to remind you is that whenever you're doing a hairstyle, you should always put in your mind what you need to put in your mind. How is it going to look like, and how you're going to finish it? So the most important thing here is the finishing. So you can see my crochet are big in size, so I wouldn't have done small cornrows. So let's continue and see how it is going to look like.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold, stand tall. We appreciate you, We love you, we say thank you, and we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. You got the touch of a Christian master. Yeah. Oh no no no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you look.
Alright, so when I reach this extent, it means I'm done with crocheting. So let me try to do the finishing, because it is the most important thing that every client or everyone be waiting. So you can do all things, but the finishing is most important thing. If I can just always tell my colleagues that, why do you think your clients always appreciate me and yet you're the one who played it? It is just because me, I come at last and I do magic with the finishing, and this person sees something that is very, very interesting from where she was. So that the finishing is the very, very important thing that you need to understand and keep doing. So when you try to look at it, indeed it looks like real natural, and this is what I wanted to bring out. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master. Thank you so much for those ones who have been with me, and please, for the hair products, if you want to get our hair products, the MDC, the link is in the description. You can get it online. Yes, bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
You got the touch of a Christian master. Yeah. Oh no no no. Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongoyaka, yeah. Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wansa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana neme.